Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the announcement of a build-off with Chuck at Flying Valiant and Jay at Jay's Diecast Creations, and this will be civils, and there's no rules, and I don't know what I got myself into taking on a build-off with those two guys. I just do what I do, man, and hope it's good. So the release date for that will be July 24th. I know that's a couple months away, but I just wanted to get this announcement out there and let everybody know what's coming up. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, click that like button, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.